Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study software engineering for BCS part 3 first semester. In first lecture I am giving you introduction of this subject. Before starting my lecture, I am Asma Qazi, Assistant Professor, HOD of Computer Science at Govt Degree College, Qasimabad, Hyderabad. For this subject, my reference book is Software Engineering by Anne Somerville. Today's my topics are Introduction, Software Process, Difference between Software Engineering and Computer Science. Fourth is Attributes of Good Software. Introduction of Software Engineering. This this definition is consist on two parts. First is software, second is engineering. Software: computer programs with all associated documentation and configuration data which is needed to make these programs operate correctly. Usually students answer is software is a computer program, but this is not complete definition because documentation play very important role. Documentation describes the structure of software, how to use the software, and about the software product. Engineering: the process of using knowledge and principles to design, build, and analyze objects. Engineers make things work. They apply theories, methods, and tools and try to discover solutions to problems. In general, software engineers adopt a systematic and organized approach to their work and most effective way to produce high quality software. Another definition of software engineering: software engineering is the application of engineering for development of software from early stages of software specification to maintaining the system. These are the steps for getting software product. Software product is a software when made for a specific requirement is called software product. For example, if any customer want a bank management system, for bank management system, this type of software is called software product because this is a specific requirement, not general. Software process: a software process is a set of activities and associated results which produce a software. If an inappropriate process is used, this will probably reduce the quality of the software. There are four fundamental activities which are common to all software process, which are as under. First is software specification, second is development, third is validation, fourth is evaluation. Now I am explaining one by one. Software specification: the functionality of the software and constraints on its operation must be defined. Means a specification is intended to establish what services are required from the system and the constraints on the system's operation and development. This activity is often called requirements engineering. Software development: the software to meet the specification must be produced. At this stage, we converting a system specification into an executable system by the process of design and programming. Here design means flowcharts, component design, architectural design, or algorithms design, or we can say different types of data structures. Third is software validation. The software must be validated to ensure that it does what the customer wants. May software validation, or more generally we can say verification and validation, is intended to show that a system conforms to its specification and that the system meets the expectations of the customer. It involves checking process such as inspections and the reviews. Fourth is software evolution. The software must evolve to meet changing customer needs. It means our software should be flexible. Our software have the capability to update or modify at any time during or after the system development. Now, what is the difference between software engineering and computer science? Software engineering is concerned with practicalities of developing and delivering useful software, whereas computer science is concerned with theory and fundamentals. Actually, any study in the field of computer such as hardware, software or networking or any other thing related to the computer is called computer science. Computer scientists solve the problem and giving way how to solve, whereas software engineering is a subfield of computer science and software engineer take the solutions from computer scientists for implementation. Therefore, we say software engineering is the study of practical development of software. Another topic is attributes of good software, or we can say characteristics of good software. For a qualitative software, there are many characteristics. I explain here few of them. First is maintainability. Software should be written in such a way that it may evolve to meet the changing needs of customer. It means software has the capability to maintain itself in the ever changing environment or continuous improvement of system, because increased maintainability implies shorter repair time. Example, Facebook. Facebook was developed in 2004, but this software is still very popular among all social software because this software maintains its maintainability. Dependability. Software dependability has a range of characteristics including reliability, security, and safety. The software should not damage if system fails. It means a software performing its intended functions under stated conditions without failure. It should be trusted or depended on, means it should be reliable. It means perfect or correct in all aspects. It should be correct with in software wise, hardware wise, or in all aspects. It should be safe. If system fail due to any reason, then our data should be secure. Security. Due to cybercrime, our software must have ability to protect our confidential information. Efficiency. Efficient software should not make wasteful use of system resources such as money and processor cycles. Means if any software use minimum resources such as time, money and effort and achieve its goal, that is called efficient software. Usability. Software must be usable without undue efforts by the type of user for whom it is designed. It should have an appropriate user interface and adequate documentations. It means our software should be easy to learn and use. If we make our software friendly, it will become more popular and more client will be like it. And if it is very much documented, then no need of training to the user to operate the software. These are the other contents of this subject. Inshallah, I will explain one by one in next lecture. By the end of this session, the student will be able to define software engineering, software process, difference between software engineering and computer science, and attributes of good software. Thanks for watching.